You can easily create nice plots with the Plotly library. The first thing to always do is to check if you have it. If you don't have it, then you can install using the pip or conda. The first thing to do is to import plotly.express as px, and then after that you can load the built-in iris dataset. Then with px scatter, we plot separ width on the x-axis and separ length on the y-axis. The color parameter groups the point by species, while the size changes the bubble size based on the beta length. We can also include the size just to change the bubble size based on the beta length as well. And finally, you can create a very nice interactive plot as this.